everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I hope that you are all having a wonderful Tuesday so far, or if you're watching this on a different day, I hope that you're just having a wonderful whatever day of the week that it is. So in honor of Thanksgiving and Giving Tuesday, I decided to sit down today and film a video sharing things that make me happy with you guys, whether it's something that I'm thankful for or something just in general that makes me happy. And this list could be like literally endless because there's so many good things in our lives. You know, even if we're in a tough spot or we're having an off day or something bad happened, like there are still so many good things to be positive about and thankful for. And I feel like it's really easy to forget that sometimes. You guys know better than anyone that I've had a really rough year. I've been through a lot, and you know, people that have gone through what I've gone through or similar situations, it's really easy for us to let that get the best of us. But you guys know that I really try to stay positive and share good, happy things with you. So by me posting this video, I really hope that it encourages you guys to be thankful for everything that's around you. I remember reading a quote once that said, like, you know, just because you had a bad hour doesn't mean that it needs to ruin your whole day. And that obviously goes for everything. Just because you've had a bad day doesn't mean that you have to have a bad week. So I decided to share some of those things that make me happy with you guys. And I want all of you guys to go ahead and comment and let us know about something that you are thankful for, or let us know about 5 things that you're thankful for. Just spread as much positivity as you guys possibly can in the comment section. And then also in today's video, I want to talk to you about Love is Louder. So yeah, I'm in such a good mood right now. I'm so excited to be filming. And also guys, I'm going to have 3 new videos this week. My next one's going to be my room tour, so I hope you guys are excited because you ask me all the time, literally every single day, when I'm going to be posting my room tour. So I hope you guys are excited. So if you're not subscribed already, make sure you are subscribed and turn on your post notifications. That way you are the first ones to see my finished room, which I'm obsessed with. So actually I think I'm going to turn that into the first thing that I share with you guys that I'm thankful for. My new room. I'm so thankful to be living with my grandma, and I'm so happy that she let me move in with her. And I have this space now that makes me so happy and motivates me and inspires me. So yeah, that's the first thing that I'm thankful for. And then the next thing that I put on my list is my family, and my sister, my brother, my mom, and everyone. They're all probably watching this video and they're just like, what are you talking about? Like, you fight with us and yell at us and blah 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 blah. And like, obviously families fight and we have ups and downs, but I could not have gotten through any of the stuff that I had to go through without my family. And then going along with that, obviously the family that we choose for ourselves, our friends, you know, the people that we put in our lives. You guys know who you are, and I literally don't know who I would be without you. So I'm so thankful for all of the friends and my family and everyone for obviously, 1, helping me get through this past year, but 2, just for everything. And then the next thing that I put on my list is actually my subscribers, because going along with my friends and my family, like, you guys have literally given me so much support over this past year with everything that I've been going through, and like, it has seriously made such a positive impact on my life. You guys have no idea. I get messages every single day from you guys just sending your love or telling me that I've helped you get through something similar. You know, you guys really mean a lot to me, and I am so thankful and happy to have you guys. And then the next thing that I put on my list is something that maybe not a lot of people would think of, but I put the first sip of iced coffee. Let me know if you guys agree with that. I know it's like just one of those very like small things, but when I wake up in the morning and I'm just so tired and I can't get myself moving, and like I'm going to Starbucks and all I can think about is that Starbucks, like the first sip of that coffee is like just so pleasing, and I swear it tastes better than the rest of the coffee. But yeah, just one of those little things, and I actually put the little things on my list of things that makes me happy. Sometimes those little things are just all that we need to get us in a better mood. And you know, we live in a world where social media has like really influenced our culture, and you know, there's a lot of pressure to always be doing bigger, better, exciting things. But just because you're not doing those things doesn't mean that your life isn't good and happy. Just remember to enjoy all of the moments in between the big ones, because I think that they also help to make you appreciate the bigger and more exciting things as well. And then the next thing that I put on my list, I could talk about forever, but I did say that I'm so thankful for Ryan and all of the memories that I have with him, and I don't want to cry right now. Obviously things ended in a tragic way, but that doesn't mean that everything that happened before that can't still be good and happy. I could never ever even find the words to express how grateful I am for him. So I'm gonna leave it at that because I don't want to cry right now, but that will always be on my list of things that I'm thankful for. The next thing that I said is another one of those little things, but I love that feeling after you finally do something that you have been putting off and procrastinating and you never want to do it, but as soon as you finally get it done, you feel so much better. And it just seems like with everything in my life, I'm always rushing at the last minute to get it done. When I do occasionally do something in advance or not at the last minute, I always feel so much better about it. And you think that I would learn after almost 21 years. I guess the feeling of accomplishment is what I'm trying to look for. And then obviously other things that I think we can take for granted a lot is our health and living in a house and having a roof over our head and an education, you know, things that in other parts of the world people don't have as easily accessible as we do. And not even just other parts of the world, other parts of our own country or our own hometown. And then obviously there are just so many material things that we have so much value for, but like for what reason, you know what I mean? Yeah, I definitely think that there are a lot of things day to day that we take for granted, and you know, I am, you know, thankful to have a roof over my head and be in good health and have access to healthcare and an education. And then the next thing that I put on my list is my job. And when I wrote this, I was talking about my job at Ulta, not YouTube. For Ulta, I really found like my second family there, and I have found some of my best friends through that job, and I'm proud to work for Ulta, and you know, I really do love my job, so I'm thankful for it, and I'm thankful for the people that it brought me. I'm also thankful for learning experiences, whether it comes from a good or a bad situation, just because you wouldn't be able to grow and become a better person if it weren't for those learning experiences. And obviously none of us would choose to go through bad situations, but when you look back on everything that you have gone through and how different you were before those things happened and how much stronger you may be now because of those things, you know, it really is eye-opening, and I think that, you know, they do make us better people in the long run. And then the last thing that I put on my list, and I think this was the 10th thing, I tried to shoot for 10 things that I was thankful for, but I put travel, and I just really am a firm believer in the fact that travel is so much more valuable than any material thing, because those experiences will last you forever. You know, those adventures and memories will always be with you, but any material thing that you could spend your money on will lose its value over time, or you'll lose it, or you'll break it, or you know, it just becomes irrelevant in life. I definitely encourage all of you to step out of your comfort zone. As you guys know, or maybe you don't know, but I did vlog it. This past March was my first time even going on an airplane, so obviously travel is like a new thing for me, but I'm still thankful for it, and I have full 100% intentions of continuing to travel and going to so many other places. So now moving on to the second part of my video. Like I mentioned earlier, I wanted to talk to you guys about Giving Tuesday. Like I said, I chose Love is Louder as a charity that I wanted to encourage you guys to donate to. So for those of you that don't know what Giving Tuesday even is, it's always the Tuesday after Thanksgiving. It started back in 2012, I believe, but like I said, it's always the Tuesday after Thanksgiving. So this year it falls on November 27th, and basically it's just a day that we recognize and encourage charitable giving. And obviously Giving Tuesday falls literally right after Black Friday, and there's a reason for that, because you know, over this past weekend with Black Friday and Cyber Monday and all those crazy deals, people get so wrapped up in money and material things, and I know that so many people do that shopping with the intention of giving those things that they're buying as a gift for the holidays, but I definitely think that it's really easy to just get wrapped up in that mindset of needing more. I would just really like to encourage you guys to consider donating. Like I said, I chose the charity Love is Louder, which is basically just a charity that raises awareness against bullying, and really their goal is just to create a community that people feel loved and supported in. And the reason that I chose that charity is because obviously I spend so much of my time online, and I have seen so many different types of cyberbullying, harassment, name calling, not only to myself, but to so many other incredible people. And my goal is to spread as much positivity as possible. So I just feel like that charity really hit home. Obviously you could donate to any charity of your choice, but I do have a page set up that I'll link below for you guys to go ahead and either join my team or just donate to Love is Louder. I'm gonna start off by making the first donation of $19, which you guys know is a very, very special number for me. But if every single person that watches this video donates $1, then we would already be over my $1,000 goal. So I definitely encourage you guys to go ahead and make a donation, but also remember that charitable giving isn't just like a money financial type of donation. You know, you could go ahead and give someone a hug, or you could text someone and just let them know that you're thinking about them, or smile at a stranger, hold the door open for the person behind you, you know, pay for the person's Starbucks drink behind you in line. You know, like there are just so many little things that you could do, not just today, but every day, to go ahead and create a better community. So I will also have the Love is Louder website linked below in case you guys want to read more about what they do. So if you guys go ahead and do make a donation, obviously that would mean so much to me. So go ahead and let me know in the comments section, and also message me on Instagram and let me know. So if you guys need a little bit of encouragement, let this video be it. Even if it seems like there are no brighter days ahead, I promise you that they are coming. I have been in your shoes. I have had the worst of the worst days, but here I am. I have so many good things around me, and I'm continuing to just move forward, and I want you guys to keep on moving forward with me. I'm gonna wrap up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this. Comment your favorite color if you have watched all the way through. And people that don't watch all the way through are gonna just see random color comments and they're gonna be confused. So let's confuse them. Give this video a thumbs up. Turn on your post notifications. That way you guys see my room tour when I post it. So yeah, that is all that I have for you guys today. I hope that you have an amazing day and an amazing week, and let's all just motivate each other. So I love you guys so much. Thank you for everything, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye. Also, for those of you that are literally watching to the very end, something that I think will make you laugh is the fact that the very tips of my hair might look a little green, and that's because they are. I used a blue toning mask on my hair the other day and left it on too long, and then I got to work the next day and my hair was straight up green. So I washed out as much of it as I possibly could. But if you were thinking that my hair looked a little green, that's why. That's because it is. So I hope that you guys got a good laugh out of that, because I've been walking around like this for a couple days now.